How to delete multiple pins on Pinterest. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Pinterest. Once you're in this page, make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then head over to Saved. Tons of different albums will be visible to you. Click on any one of it. Let me move into this one. Now tap on Organize at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be able to select multiple pins. Let me select these. Now if you want to delete them, simply click on Delete. Once again tap on Delete. And there you go, multiple pins on Pinterest has been deleted. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.